Hey guys, welcome to my bedroom floor, and today we'll be doing a very late unboxing of June to July comebacks. Very exciting. This is the first package I bought purely for the albums itself. I do have a very small K-pop album collection. It's just I didn't get those albums for the albums itself. Oh god, I'm like knocking the stand over. Gosh, this is unboxings are so hard to do. Let's get it. Hey. Okay. Oh shit. This is so exciting. Okay. So we have, whoa, okay. Oh, this is heavy. Oh my god, so heavy. Wow, so much bubble wrap. Okay, get rid of that. So we have two, what is this called again? It's been so long since I ordered it, I don't remember what it's called. So here we have 7th mini album Heng. So here is the dual version, so version 2. And here is the net version, version 4. Well, this sticker is kind of hard to get out. Very nicely. Oh my god! Oops. Looks like it can't be saved now.
It is what it is.
Ooh. We have, oh my god. So let's go on to the album. We have this cover page, hip hop team, performance team, vocal team, interview, 17. Oh, are these stickers? Stickers. We have the CD itself, and the lyrics book. I hope you can see that. Oh, wait, what? I thought it was a hip hop team. Why is there everybody in it? All right, we have that. The first page with we have S scoops. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow, so pretty. Wonwoo. Yo, I love these pictures. Wow. Wow. Very pretty. Mingyu. Vernon. And in the back this says the hip hop team's members' names. Okay, let's go on to the next one. We have performance team. A group picture. Okay, let's go on. 17th mini. Ooh, Hoshi. Mini hang up Hoshi. We have June. Minghao. I mean Late. Wow, so pretty. And Dino. Dino. That was the performance team book. Now let's move on to the vocal team. Huh? Why doesn't this one get a group picture? So first member we have is DK, my bias. Wow, look at his skin. Uzi. Look at them stare at you intently like that. Oh my god. Sungkwan. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so like Instagram-y. Then we have Joshua. Interview. Oh. It's all in Korean. And that's it for the interview. The photo cards. First one we have Junghan, wow. And then the second photo card we have is Woozy, wow. Here is Woozy. Wow, both from the vocal team. And then for the bookmark we have Sungwan. Wait
a damn minute.
they're all from the vocal team. This is a cute bookmark. Okay, so that's what we got for the photo card and the bookmark. Ta-da! It's a book now. This is so cute. So overall, I really do enjoy the concept of this 7th mini album with the DIY concept and the songs about youth. I don't think this is really DIY unless you make your own pages and put it in the book as well. So that's what I'm planning to do as well. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. So that was our garæ 7th mini album. Let me put that to the side. Wow. We have the reveal the BOYZ album in Wolf version, I believe. Twice's 9th mini album, More and More. And then we have ONE Oneiric.
Wait a minute.
Oneiric. Okay, there it is. Let's unbox the reveal album first.
이렇게 살짝 들고 빡.
Oh, I got it. Okay. We have the spine and the back. The BOYZ, the first album. My favorite song on this album is Salty. Let's get to the book. Here is the book. It has a very nice feeling to it. I don't know what this material is called, but it makes this noise. Here is the cover. Why does it look slanted? The spine, again, in the back says the track list. There's the pouch full of the things. Shall we open it now and see it? Special presents for you from the BOYZ. I like how nothing is focusing. Nah, let's do it now. Ta-da! We have Hakyeon. Wow. Wow. And then we have the Scratch Fortune card. And we have Younghoon. Ooh. 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 Interesting. Should I scratch this off now? Oh shit! Cute. We have cute. Let's go on to the book. Reveal with the BOYZ. And the CD. Wait. Yeah. Here is the CD. Very simple. This concludes the BOYZ first album reveal unboxing. Finally, we have Oneiric Diary by ONE. So let's see what it comes with. So here is the front cover. Here's the front. ONE. Here's the side. The spine. The back. So let's remove the sleeve. Okay, why the fuck is it so hard to remove? Come out! Bro, this is so hard to take out. Oh, it's kind of like stuck. There it is. It was stuck to the box. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Get that out of the way. Wow. This box is so pretty. You see this like holographic? I hope it is holographic. I'm not sure. And it's really heavy. We have these. We have, oh. That, what the fuck?
Cut the cameras.
Do you see this? Y'all see this? It's like some glue got onto it. My favorite song on this is Welcome. However, it's an intro song, so it's only like 1 minute. And then here's the side. Very pretty. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Ta-da! Yeah, so pretty. Yes. Oneiric.
Oneiric.
Oh. We have the track list. Wow. Sakura. Then we have Yena. Oh, this close-up is so cute. We have Hitomi. What is this facial expression though? We have 3 of them together. Me and you. Chaeyeon, my bias. Then we have the 3 of them together. This picture is really pretty. Taewon. The close-ups are really pretty. And then we have Yujin. And we have 3 of them. Then we have Wonyoung. Wow, these are so cute. And we have Yuri. K1. And we have 3 of them together. And the group picture. Thanks to credits. And then that's it for the book. Let's see what else there is. Next we have... And then we have all the surprise aspects of the things. We have Yujin for the VRC, VCR, not sure what it's called. We have Yena for the photo card. Here's the back. We have Yuri. Here's the back. Then we have Wonyoung for the scratch off card. And then here is the back. This is so cute. Then we have the poster. So here is the poster, and that's it. Thank you for watching my first unboxing video by myself. Hope you guys stay safe and stay home. So get the Rona off our asses, and bye!
뭐야? ASAP! As soon as possible.
나 심심해 유진이 놀아줘.